Little brain freeze.
Did you try
But
this?
that's okay. Keeps you alert.
Can you box this
So
for me, you guys?
milkshakes. We sell
Great.
about 20 to
Half
30
one.
milkshakes a night.
This is one of my favorites.
And we sell them for two reasons. First, three reasons. First,
Yeah.
they're very good.
Yeah.
They're
It's-
really good milkshakes.
it's too expensive.
Secondly, they're very large. Our milkshakes are 32 ounces. That's a quart. And third, because they have a great presentation when the girl hands it across the counter and then people walk to a table to sit down. It's a visually pretty thing. We only forgot one thing in preparing to make milkshakes, malts, and floats, is that we don't have any ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, improvise, right? So what we're going to do, in there's a tray of that grape nut stuff you made this morning. Bring that out. That'll be semi-hard by now. See the tray right there? That should be semi-hard, right? Good. Okay, we'll make milkshakes.
Who would have thought that just a Sears chest freezer could get it that hard?
So the formula that we use at the store is for each shake. Anytime, Michael, whenever you're done. That's all right. I'll wait. I got scads of days here. The formula that we use for each shake is, look, they're all reaching for a pen. We use mix, and that's the secret to our shakes. We use 18 ounces of mix. And we don't have to measure it, because what we do, what the girls do, is they they'll take the mix each night and they'll pour it into Arizona iced tea containers, those good plastic gallons. And they keep 3, 4, 5 of those in the fridge throughout the night. And then we also draw a line with a Sharpie on here so they don't have to measure, because speed is important. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 18 ounces of mix and then 3 scoops of ice cream. No scoops. 3 scoops of ice cream. What size scoops? Who asked that? What size scoops? What they've settled on over the years now is the Zero 4-ounce scoop. So it's a 4-ounce scoop. Now Loretta puts more ice cream in here than anybody, than we deserve to put in. But here's about it. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls of ice cream. And we use the Ninja, which is better than those Hamilton Beach milkshake makers, because they are. You know he did that. And then we pour them into our glasses. We add whipped cream. And a cherry. And then a straw. We have the big straws, but no, big plastic straws. Mike, And that's, the girls do it nicer. They pile the whipped cream up, the cherries on top. And the whipped cream is actually cold in the store. Here it's not, so it's, like that. So who wants this?
I do.
A couple. You do, Mike? Come and get it if you'll edit out that. Okay, go ahead. Mike gets the shake. And now we'll make shakes for all of us. Also in the store, when we do that, our glasses are 25 ounces. So we make a 32-ounce shake, and everybody gets a sidecar. They get the rest in here on the counter as well. And they like that. I think that's a good idea to do.
I missed it. What do you charge for that?
Same $6. Everything's $6.
Wow. Good deal.
Yeah, of course. I just stole this from the shelf there. It's Fabry chocolate bar. So let's try to make a chocolate shake this time, all right? I don't know what it is, but it smells okay. Tastes pretty good, too. What, no good?
No. Just don't know how long it's been there.
Oh, it's been there since I know you.
Okay.
But it tastes good.
Well, bourbon ages well. Maybe that will too.
There you go. Now, I think, is there an ounce thing on here? Yes, there is.
Yeah.
So 18 ounces, so we have 16, let's go to 18, or 20 as it is. And let's add a shot of this. See what happens. I left those berries out too because we can add those. Ice cream? That's a good idea.
I'll step in the line of fire.
See, he took a chance. You all sat back there and...
We were thinking of changing the name of the course from Make It Fresh to Learn from the Masters, but we thought nobody'd believe us.
Okay.
Just makes it a better shake.
You need help?
You're first. I'm not going to serve you. Okay, now the next one will make a lot more. We don't have to go by the measurements of 18. This was just one shake's worth. So next time we'll add more. We'll go for it. 18 times 3 is 54, right?
Yes.
Jeff, may I have some whiskey?
I guess you will, won't you?
Thank you.
Want a cherry? I got 3 cherries left.
I do. I would love one cherry.
Well, I only have 3 left, so help yourself. There you go. Want a spoon? Take a spoon.
Yes.
Girl knows what she wants and goes for it.
I have more mix if you need it.
This should do it. Actually, oh no, the next thing will, you know what? We can also make malted. Does everybody know what a malted is? So we're going to make malted by adding a spoonful of malt powder. Well, we have 2 shakes in here. We'll just add a little more. Oh, that was in there. All right. How did it come out with this? Good?
Good, yeah.
All right, we'll add a little more. And then we'll put the ice cream in.
I got your spoon.
Okay. Ah, hell.
What the hell? Put it all in.
Okay. Ooh.
How'd you get out?
Okay, I don't know if it'll mix up, but we'll see.
Give her a minute. Christy, I have no idea. He's pointing to you and saying, how old is she now? Three. Wow. This is our second. This is our second.
Okay. That'll be for Steve. We could
Sammy's
just put a
closing
bunch
in.
of straws in here and pass it around.
Up in New York from
Okay, if you want this,
just
come and
outside
get
the
it.
city. I'm trying to think of.
Upstate or
No.
Long Island?
No, in Westchester County. I'm trying to think. It was called Good Time Goldens. And it's a lady with a French chateau and horses and dogs and absolutely beautiful.
Have parents on the property.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. And Good Time Goldens. They have and her mother has a branch of it in Atlanta called the Good Time Goldens. And they're purebreds. And the interesting, I didn't get a dog until I was 59. And my first dog was a Golden, and she came out of Boston.
Anybody take Mike the Akai one?
And
Yeah.
the breeder was also a top judge for BTC. So that was Sadie, Sarah Jane, and this one is Samantha Jane. Two different breeders, and the papers come in a month and a half later. And Sadie's, one of her lineage was
Yes, that's true.
put on the other was ice cream. So the papers come on this one, Haagen-Dazs. They were related by about 6 generations or more separation. But apparently
That's good, right? You know what you need after that? A recliner.
Right now I have a chocolate.
it's just
Okay, the last thing I thought I would demonstrate, which you won't get to taste, is a float, how we make our floats. We make root beer floats in the store. And the way we do it is we take our glass and we put a scoop on the bottom in the glass. Then we take the root beer and pour it in. And then we put a scoop on top on the lip of the glass. Can't do it here because the ice cream's too thin, but on the lip, so you have a nice ball sitting there. And then we get the whipped cream and the cherry, of course. No.
No.
And that's that's our root beer floats, and they're pretty good. People like the root beer floats. And it's nice to see a couple sitting there, each sucking out of a different straw. There you go. Come on, make the picture. Come on. Hold it. There you all right.
And the sign above love is.
So that's how we make our floats. Some people want Coke floats and stuff, but mainly it's root beer floats. And what kind of ice cream in the root beer floats? Any kind. I thought vanilla, but now people are asking for all different flavors. It doesn't matter. We'll give them whatever flavor they want.
A dark beer is really good too.
Whatever I do is not good enough for you, is it? Why don't you add some of this? Or we could make it with this, or flambe it.
I had it once, a vanilla ice cream with a peanut butter stout.
So just remember for the future how she is. Her father's going to come. It'll be the same.
He knows. He knows. So that's how we do root beer floats and malts and milkshakes. And we do between 20 and 30, 35 a night. And the visual on it is pretty good. So
What do these sell for again?
$6. Everything's $6.
And you do 25 to 30 a night?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we see 200 people a night. So some get shakes, some get cups. We don't have cones. We don't have sundaes.
Or strawberry.
Or nothing. You can't mix flavors. You get one cup with a spoon, a pretzel if you're nice, one flavor, $6, and go sit down.
Are your cups disposable or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We actually have three sizes of servings. We have $6, $8, and $14. $14 is a quart. $6, the way the girls do it, is a pint. And $8 is between a pint and a quart. $8 turns out to be about 14 ounces.
What about your kitty size?
Our what? What about our what? No kitty size. No samples. No samples. You're not getting a sample of anything. And still it's a learning experience for the customer. We have to educate them in the right way to consume, to buy, consume, and remember and refer homemade ice cream. We carry about 40 flavors all the time of homemade ice cream. And as all of you who went through the class this past week know, the customer comes in, they're pretty well educated. They don't question anything. One flavor per cup, no samples, and no dipping cases. You can't see the ice cream till it's yours. And that's that. Any other questions? Okay, you're on.
We're done.
Yeah, I know. You have to thank them for coming and everything. And
Well, thank you for coming.
and putting up with us.
Yes. We had a great time. I hope you did too. We do this for ourselves, but we were very happy that you're all here.